You know, we've been talking quite a bit about collagen, hyaluronic acid, and the amazing ways our bodies continue to repair themselves, even after 50, 60, or beyond. These aren't simply beauty buzzwords. Collagen is one of the most important structural protein in the body. It supports our skin, joints, muscles, bones, blood vessels, and even many of our internal organs. As we grow older, our natural collagen production gradually slows, which is one of the reasons we notice thinner skin, more wrinkles, stiffer joints, and slower recovery. Many people ask me, should I take collagen? My answer is probably. But today, I want to share something even more important. You can purchase the highest quality collagen supplement that's available. But if your everyday habits are working against you, it's a little like trying to fill a bucket that has a hole in the bottom. Today, I'd like to talk to you about what I call the Four Collagen Thieves. These are 4 everyday habits that quietly rob your body of its ability to repair itself. The wonderful news is every one of them is something we can improve. Before we meet our 4 collagen thieves, let's understand something fascinating. Your body is repairing itself every single day. Every day, cells are replaced, proteins are rebuilt, tissues are repaired, even while you're sleeping. Our bodies are truly remarkable. The problem isn't that repair stops. The problem is, as we age, we begin spending more time in repair deficit than repair surplus. Scientists now use the term inflammaging to describe the low-grade chronic inflammation that often increases with age. This persistent inflammatory state can stimulate enzymes called matrix metalloproteinases, MMPs, which can help break down damaged tissue, but can also contribute to collagen breakdown when they remain overactive. Think of it this way. Imagine you're trying to renovate a beautiful old home. Every morning, fresh building materials arrive. But every afternoon, someone comes along with a wrecking ball. Eventually, The repairs simply can't keep up. That's what chronic inflammation can do inside our bodies. As a behaviorist, one thing I've learned over many years is that our brains become very good at whatever we practice. If we constantly practice rushing, worrying, overthinking, multitasking, our nervous system begins believing that danger is everywhere. And our bodies remain prepared for emergencies that just never arrive. When stress becomes chronic, cortisol stays elevated for longer than it should. Over time, persistently high cortisol can interfere with collagen production and slow normal tissue repair rather than supporting healthy rebuilding. Notice I said chronic stress. Stress itself isn't the enemy. Life will always have stressful moments. It's never allowing ourselves to recover that becomes the problem. One practice I use almost every day is something I call the transition minute. Before moving from one demanding task to another, pause. Close your eyes. Take one slow breath into your belly. Exhale even more slowly. Relax your shoulders and tell yourself, I'm safe. It takes less than 60 seconds. Yet, it gently tells your nervous system the emergency is over. You can begin repairing again. Sometimes healing begins with one quiet breath. The second collagen thief may surprise you. Poor sleep. Many people think sleep is simply resting. Actually, your body becomes incredibly busy while you're asleep. During deep sleep, growth hormone secretion increases, supporting tissue maintenance and repair. Good sleep also helps regulate inflammation and many of the biological processes involved in recovery. In other words, while you're peacefully sleeping, your body is working overtime. That's why I often say a peaceful evening routine may be one of the best beauty treatments you'll ever own. Instead of scrolling through stressful news or answering that one more email, consider giving yourself permission to slow down. Read something calming. Listen to gentle music. Pray or meditate. Or enjoy a cup of herbal tea. Those quiet moments aren't wasted. They're preparing your body for repair. The third collagen thief is one many people don't realize. Too much sugar. When excess sugar circulates in your bloodstream, it can attach to proteins, including collagen, in a process that's called glycation. Over time, advanced glycation end products, or AGEs, can make collagen fiber stiffer and less flexible, contributing to visual and structural aging. That doesn't mean we can never enjoy dessert. Life should absolutely include joyful moments. It simply reminds us that everyday choices matter. This is actually one reason I enjoy sharing healthy recipes. Not because food has to be perfect, but because every nourishing meal is another opportunity to support your body's remarkable ability to repair itself. Our final collagen thief is inactivity. Now, I'm not talking about running marathons here. I'm talking about simply moving, walking, stretching, gardening, dancing in your kitchen, gentle resistance exercises. Our bodies were designed to move. Movement improves circulation, helps to nourish tissues, and mechanical loading from regular activity. It encourages healthy collagen remodeling over time. Sometimes the healthiest thing we can do is simply stand up, step outside, and take a walk. Movement is medicine. So today, we've met the 4 collagen thieves, living in survival mode, poor sleep, too much sugar, not enough movement. You know, none of us gets this right every day. I certainly don't. Healthy aging isn't about perfection. It's about giving your body more opportunities to repair than to break down. Every peaceful breath, every nourishing meal, every good night's sleep, every walk around the neighborhood. They're all small deposits into your future health. And over weeks, months, and years, those small deposits become something beautiful. I'd love to hear from you. Which one of these 4 collagen thieves do you struggle with the most? Stress, sleep, sugar, or simply finding time to move? Share your thoughts in the comments. I read every one of them. And our conversations often inspire future videos. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Until next time, take good care of yourself. And remember, it's never too late to give your body another chance to heal.